Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A5x and let me share with you how to turn off the ads or personalizations of those ads. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the Google section. Let's tap. Then let's tap on all services right here and scroll down to find the ads. So here we've got the advertising ID, and even though removing it will not turn off all of the ads, it will simply remove the personalizations of those ads. So first of all, I highly recommend to tap on Reset Advertising ID and tap on Confirm. It will be reset, and then tap on Delete Advertising ID. Of course, here we've got the information that you might have less control over the type of ads you see, but still they are not personalized. So it's totally up to you which option you prefer, to be honest. So just tap on Delete Advertising ID, and as you can see, it will be immediately deleted. Another thing which might help you to limit the advertisements is to basically download a regular ad block. Of course, you can do it in the Play Store. Just enter the ad block or something like that. You can use the regular ad block like here. You can try to use also the ad block browser. I highly recommend to go through all of those apps because they are really nice and they will help you to block the advertisements for sure. Another thing is to try to block the advertisement notifications, let's say. So let's find the app from which you're receiving the most notifications or most advertisings. So let's pretend it is games in my case. So let's tap on it and hold it, and then tap on App Info. Then we have to go to Manage Notifications, but as you can see, in my case, they are denied. So maybe that's not the best example. So let me go here, go to Manage Notifications. And here in the notifications, which are alerts right here, we've got the different categories, and I highly recommend to check those which are, let's say, connected with the advertisements. So for example, payments, deals, and recommendations. In my case, they are set as silent, but you can simply turn off the notifications, especially those which are connected with the advertisements. I highly recommend to do that. And the last thing which I'd like to show you is to use the Ad Guard. This is the option which we can enter in the connections. So let's open the settings. Basically, it will filter the advertisements. So let's go to the settings and go to connection and sharing. And here we've got this section, private DNS. So let's tap on it. Usually we've got it set on the automatic option, but I highly recommend to tap on specified DNS, and then let's enter dns.adguard.com, and make sure that DNS will be in a small, not in capital letters. Okay, and tap on Save. Basically it should work perfectly fine. Sometimes some browsers or some websites will restrict the access because of the Ad Guard, but then just quickly tap on Auto and you will be able to use it again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.